Welcome to 21641 Forest Water Circle, a rare chance to own one of the biggest and most unique homes in the Forest Waters community of Garden Ridge, Texas. This custom estate sits on almost 2 acres of beautiful land tucked behind a private gate, offering space, privacy, and charm. As you walk in, you'll notice the tall ceilings, wide open layout, and lots of natural light. This home has two large living areas, three cozy fireplaces, and a full wet bar, perfect for gatherings or relaxing with the family. Custom details like the spiral staircase, built-in cabinets, and a classic shutters add character and warmth throughout the house. The kitchen is roomy and functional with lots of cabinet space, a big island, and a smart layout that connects easily to the dining areas. It even includes a dumbwaiter for convenience. Whether you're cooking for the family or hosting a dinner party, this kitchen makes it easy. As you can see, there is plenty of counter space, a central island, and a great flow into both the breakfast nook and formal dining room. You will spot the dumbwaiter, which is a rare and handy feature that makes moving items between floors easier than ever. This home has 5 large bedrooms, including one used as a home office, plus a bonus room that gives you plenty of options. There are 4 full bathrooms and 2 half baths, great for big families or guests. Everywhere you look, you'll notice custom details from the plantation shutters to the built-ins designed to make life more comfortable. The backyard is one of my favorite parts of this house. Remember, this house sits on almost 2 acres of beautiful land. So we will see that in just 1 minute. But first, I want to take you to see the beautiful primary bedroom right next to the living room. Let's go take a look and let me know what you think. This living room is a beautiful masterpiece with the soaring ceilings. You can see the second flooring, the railing, everything about it is perfect. The natural light, the entrance. So let's walk into your primary bedroom, which is tucked away in its own wing. This space was designed for comfort, quiet, and total relaxation. As soon as you step in, you're greeted by a warm and inviting fireplace, perfect for cozy evenings. Large windows fill the room with natural light and give you the views of the private courtyard, creating a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor living. And speaking of outdoors, just beyond those doors, you'll find something truly special, your own enclosed courtyard with a serene, open-air shower. Whether you're rinsing off after a swim or just starting your day surrounded by nature, it's a peaceful experience that feels like a luxury resort. Back inside, the ensuite bathroom takes that spa feel even further. It features a beautiful double vanity with plenty of counter space, a freestanding soaking tub that invites you to unwind, and a Texas-sized walk-in shower designed for total comfort. And of course, no retreat is complete without a massive walk-in closet, offering plenty of space for clothes, shoes, and storage. This primary suite is more than just a bedroom. It's your own personal hideaway designed to help you relax, recharge, and truly feel at home. Upstairs, this home offers something truly special, a fully private studio apartment that adds incredible versatility to the property. Whether you're welcoming extended family, hosting out-of-town guests, or looking for the perfect remote work setup, this space is designed to meet your needs. It is completely self-contained, which means your guests or you have everything right at their fingertips. The kitchenette includes counter space, cabinetry, and room for a mini fridge and microwave, ideal for quick meals or snacks without needing to head downstairs. A full bathroom adds extra comfort for privacy, and nearby closets and storage areas help keep everything tidy and organized. But one of the best features of the upstairs suite is the private balcony. It offers peaceful views of the backyard and pool area, making it a perfect place to enjoy your morning coffee, take a phone call, or just soak in the scenery. Whether it becomes a creative space, an office, or a long term guest suite, this upstairs apartment gives the home even more flexibility and value. Now, let's talk about a few of the behind the scenes features that make daily living here simple and efficient. Downstairs, you'll find a spacious three-car garage, giving you plenty of room for vehicles, tools, and storage. Whether you need space for a workshop, bikes, or a seasonal decor, there's no shortage of room to stay organized. And outside, this house is equipped with a 12-zone automatic sprinkler system that keeps the entire property lush and green with minimal effort. From the thoughtful layout to the smart systems throughout the house, this estate was built for comfort, convenience, and long-term peace of mind. So if you like what you're seeing, let me know in the comments below. I will add my information. I'm always happy to answer any questions. You can always text me or call me to the phone number below, 210-629-6802, 210-629-6802. I'm happy to answer any questions and help you in the home buying process from beginning to end. I am here to help you negotiate. I am here to help you with the contract, to provide the inspectors, the loan officers, everything. So let me know. I am happy to show you this beautiful property and schedule a time to see it together. Now, let's step into one of the most breathtaking features of this home, your very own private backyard oasis. You have this long driveway with plenty of parking for all your guests. You have a gate that leads you to your private oasis here in Garden Ridge, Texas, which, by the way, is just minutes away from San Antonio, Texas. If you don't know the area, let me know. I live close by. It's a beautiful place. I totally recommend this location and this area. Mature trees surround the space, offering privacy, shade, and a feeling of escape from the world outside. At the center of it all is the stunning Grecian-style pool, a true showpiece with clean lines, classic design, and a sense of elegance. It's not just a pool, it's a destination. Whether you're swimming laps, enjoying a relaxing soak in the cascading spa, or simply floating under the sun, this space invites you to slow down and enjoy the moment. The diving board adds a playful touch, making it just as fun for the kids as it is relaxing for adults. And with the pool surrounded by a stone pathway and a lush landscaping, it truly feels like a resort in your own backyard. Just steps away is the covered patio, built for year-round enjoyment. Rain or shine, this area provides the perfect spot to gather with family and friends. You've got space for outdoor dining, another beautiful fireplace, and even watching the game thanks to the mounted smart TV. Whether it's movie night under the stars or football Sunday with your crew, this patio is ready for it all. But the beauty doesn't stop there. This backyard includes multiple seating areas tucked under trees and along walkways, giving you endless options for reading, relaxing, or enjoying a glass of wine at sunset. Each corner feels thoughtfully designed with shade, space, and intention, making the entire yard feel like an extension of the home. And for families, there's an extra surprise, a custom-built playhouse tucked neatly in the back. It's charming, creative, and sure to spark the imagination of any child or the child in you. Thanks for joining me on this tour of 21641 Forest Water Circle. For more information or to schedule your private tour, reach out today. Your dream home is waiting. My name is Victor Soler, your Texas Realtor. Let's find your dream home.